This tends to be the desired ingredient. And this is an advanced pro secret ingredient. What can we learn from VOLT, which is up 95%? In fact, it gapped up this morning. And we can see the reason is because it is a buyout, as we can see here. And the premium, based on Friday's close, today it's gapping up about 98%. So what can we learn from this in terms of what can make an instrument explode? As we can see here, a very desirable gap up for those who own the instrument as of Friday's action, today being a Monday. What we can learn from this is something I've been talking about. Go all the way back to 2013. So we're talking about 9 years ago. I was already talking about what we can learn from this explosive buyout gap up today in this stock. This is the method, and there are going to be links in the description of this video bringing you back to this playlist. So I talk about what we are going to learn from this stock. So if you want more information, I would encourage you to take a look at this playlist, a concept I've been talking about for about 9-10 years or so. So let's go to the stock and see what we can learn. Again, here's the playlist. What you're going to learn, there's something called, or what I call, it's an original concept, the Muathe angle of penetration, or MAP, M-A-P. M-A-P. And essentially what it talks about is whenever you have key levels, in this example, we are taking a look at RSI 69.1. When an instrument moves above 69.1, if it moves above it in a shallow pattern, this type of angle is not very steep, and the results tend to be okay. But when an instrument moves above RSI 69.1 with a sharp angle of penetration, this tends to be the desired ingredient. And this is an advanced pro secret ingredient. And you can master this chart angle. The chart angle is this movement here needs to be sharp as the instrument moves above RSI 69.1. Now we can see evidence of this in this ideal buyout situation. Take a look at that sharp angle of penetration as the stock moves above 69.1. And also we will see this on other time frames. So this is the daily. If we take a look at the weekly, take a look at this sharp angle of penetration as the stock is moving above 69.1 on the weekly. And if we take a look at the monthly also, it is showing a steep angle of penetration as it approaches 69.1. So for more information, I'm going to guide you back to the playlist. Remember, as per my research, going back all those many years, the higher the angle of penetration above 69.1, and here we have the same stock. Take a look at these sharp angles of penetration here in 94. Take a look at this sharp angle here in 95 above 69.1. Another sharp instance, which is here. And take a look at this sharp instance right here for this big move. So you are always better off looking for instruments with sharp angles of penetration, either in the past or in the current environment as they break out. Because these tend to be the super cycle winners as opposed to okay moving instruments. Again, I call this the Muathe angle of penetration. And the penetration is for instruments moving above key RSI levels. In this video, I'm only talking about RSI 69.1. For more information, take a look at the links in the description of the video.